Good afternoon. My name is Leonardo. I am coming present topic 5 of the Tecnolica website. Well, the objective is to identify the great impact that technology has had on our society through growth its creation. And, and as first point, we will ask ourselves was as Chang will weaken technology in our community. The second point is positive and negative of technology. Uh, Furious the point only studying. Second point, the privilege of work online. 3 point, the violencia. 4 point, distance communication. 5 point, family sharing unlock exits. 6, growing transportation, etc. Greater instruction, 10 aspect giving recommendation, and this request obligation and suggestion for negative aspects using modal verbs sent in the unit 3. 1. People snow because sovereignty of theos is they can explore new recreation environments. 2. We must take into account the vitality of maintaining our responsibility when using the small size that can cause us great problems if we do not doing correctly. 3. As we see day by day, society is exposed to great risks because it can contribute to improper use of technology. That is we, our answer, when using the tools play a fundamental role. It is necessary to take into account that technological means when using big children must they accompany greeting parents in order to promote responsibility because the first dig in saving and therefore the will to bear responsibility in a vital factor. 5. The obligation to score personal integrity is an act of will and decision. 6. Immediate setting limits is a viable strategy no mind security in the face of of different unexpected mishaps. 7. Responsibility is not be promoted in the network environment. 8. The we now allow development and technological advance to change shared life completely. 9. There might be main obstacle is life will never let technology be your most important recreation. 10. The will to act for a purpose is the key to success. Reference bibliographic, the EDUC. Thank you. Please send that.